Kakanhon bah nyongot kinoi kai ki belapa sa ka Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test lani ka MTET kilapan pau ka jingso diaw ba ka tanat puli ka sarkar jala kampat khot thum kam yaki wat hadien ka hukum na ka ying kasari Meghalaya High Court ka balam mi ha ka arpu pratari Urisa Jones nam arjar puar kumban chukdo bagila don arpu saungot kinoi kai ki bele khonya ka examen MTET bagi belapa ki de tang nyongot nakal yang kini ginoi kai kila aipor artayo ya katanat puli bat ya sarkar jelahi bantung kam biang yaki
hadin bagi letrai labon kisnem ngila pada upload lagi jindon kam jong government nang ta hau ada jarak kat kendai ke wan pinsan ka jing pen kala polisi jong government Meghalaya through the Department of Education ba ngihap ban pendep no ya ka MTET ke Meghalaya Eligibility Test Teachers hang ta haka post attempt nia persyang banyak lagi exam damar hakerta ke bangi lalong war HM tinggi nia le henry ba ngim champoy perkat bangi latre hadok atas nem bangin sya weng no nang ta ngiliaki na kapor ngilali bo gijing thot na kapor government henry haka ba asen pat ka government kala ailat ingi ban ngile Hapdeng ke bangi le ya ka second attempt jong ka Meghalaya Teachers MTET hak jo ka por ngi file no ya ka petition sapo high court kat bangi dang up ya ka petition sapo high court ngila ya le ya ka ne exam ba ngila pas no ya ka hadin bangi la yo ya ka result ya ka judgment na ka high court ha ka arpo pratrik ubanai ba shit para jara pho a ngila shem ba ka kot kala tho shai kedar bangi la long eligible bat ni la dei hok banyo ya ka post ka bangi tray baro chikata namar bangi la pendep ya ki NCTE nom kat kum ki jing don kam jong ka policy of education department henry nado kum ba shi bana ye ni la ya ap ni dang mut ba tang hapo mo atiyo le ne lai tiyo ba ka sarkar kan pha no ya ka appointment jongi henry om don dak ro nang ta ngila sedang banwan mi siapa ki respective SDO ngila lekili pe ke order jong kokot kala lomba wat hapok ke newspaper Highland Post ape kendai trik pernah becipeu arjar peu kala tho syai kedar ya gi kerteng jong i baro nyongot bangi la long qualify bet ka kot ka relief yangi bangin long kinong hikai ki bala tebit bat ki bala biang bantungkan henry day na kadaw ba ngimyo ay na government ngilas legbu ro ka jing tho support director halor ka ngidon hang ne ya ki application gi bangi legbu regarding application for appointment for the 7 teachers. These are the name of all the 7 teachers. I have them Srimati Fikir Bahakarya, Srimati Arbilang Suciang, Sri Thalamuna Darnay, Srimati Laljoy Darnay, Srimati Merijon Ngamlai, Srimati Lalchon Puri Tete, Sri Shamiram Rishi. These are all the teachers who have been qualified to be appointed as a teachers because they have been serving so many years. Because of this, we have come to this. Iwan hang ne da ka jing khiam sim da ka jing kabangi pha ka message sa government. Bahkan siang bah ban pule no ya ka order jong kokot bahkan pha no ya ka appointment jongi namar ba ngila dep bu ya ka jing tho nadu chief minister of Meghalaya nadu deputy chief minister of Meghalaya Sri Prason Tingsom education minister Sri Lakmen Rambui director of school and then respective SDSO ngila lai bu ya kini jing tho baro la shi banai ai kamalatam shi banai ai kamot nadu ba ka order jong kokot kalami kala long kamba ar banai chite yo menta gasngi ni wan hang ne ban pha ka ne ka khubor shaga government ka ba ngim don ngim pha ngim lai bu chu da jing tho shaga government nama ngila dep bu ngila dep kerpat gen shimbe ba ka ne bangi wan hang ne press club banado menta gasngi Henry tarik Januari arcara paulai kalong ka kubor ka bangin pha no sya ka sarkar bahkan pha no yang ka appointment jongi hapo RTO lemda ka sarkar kamle ngi ngim panse ngin sa shim ya ka sinjam bangin pelong da ki jing ki wala ngi don tang hniu ngoro namar ngi lolong qualify ngi lolong eligible ngi wan hang ne ngi don ngi nong rim ngi babiang namar balai baro ki NCTE nom ngi lapendem kat kum ka statement ka ba ka high court ka lai ngi don ru ka order yang court hang ne la dangi pule ha ka pitch number 4 in pule ka kumba kumne. According to the judgment, page number 4, for the sake of convenience of the detail of the qualified teachers is set out in the table below. WPC number 400 Laljoy Darne, qualification SSLC, HSLC, MTET, DLED. The date of appointment 12 March 2010. WPC 403 Tlamuna Darneng, qualification SSLC, HSLC, BA, DLED, MTET. Date of appointment 3rd September 2008. WPC 407 Mary John Ngamlai, qualification SSLC, HSLC, DLED, MTET. Date of appointment 12 March 2010. WPC 409 Lalchon Pari Theite, qualification SSLC, HSLC, BA, DLED, MTET. Date of appointment 12 March 2010. WPC 414 Shamiram Rishi, qualification SSLC, HSLC, BCom, MCom, MTET, DLED. Date of joining 10 July 2007. WPC 83 Fikir Bhakarya, qualification BA, MA, DLED, MTET, set pass. Date of appointment 27 March 2008. WPC 84 Arbilang Suchiang, qualification BA, DLED, set, MTET. Date of appointment 8 September 2008. These are all the statements which have done approved that one. They have the court have always the direct here. In Benin, as we have seen that this order from the court, we hope that the government will do something to give us appointment. Ngi pha ru da ka jing seo khya la da government kam le ai na ka banta jongi hadin balkut kene ka po kabangi ai atio ko manado unriu tarik Januari arajar ar phulai hado khat phra tarik Januari arajar ar phulai ngim ban se ngin pelong no da ga jingi ki namar kat kum ka NCTE nom ngila pendep lut barok bat ngila long qualify ban yo ya ka kam ka bang ngila tre la kumbang hat sans nem ai